What's up guys, how are you? Thank you for watching this video. Today I'm here with an Android TV and I want to show you how to install the Tivi Gold app, which is an IPTV app for Android devices. And this app is exclusive for international channels. So you will find European channels, Portuguese, French, Spanish, German, English, from several Italian places in this app. You will also find American channels, some channels from Central America, some channels from South America. There's a lot of things. Asia, there's a lot of things in this app. And you will also find movies and series. There's a lot of things. If you want to see the app working, I have a link. I'll leave it in the description of the video where I show the app working. It's there on Odyssey. Odyssey is a competitor of YouTube. And there I can leave these videos of the app working. Just click there. It's in the first comment and also in the description of the video. And there's also a link to my WhatsApp. You can get in touch with me. Say that you have already installed it, following the steps of my video. And you want to do a test on Tivi Gold. You will like it a lot. So, how do you install Tivi Gold on your Android TV? The first thing you're going to do is go here in the Apps section, and then in Google Play, you will enter here in Google Play. Entering here in Google Play Store, you will download the app called Downloader. When I click on the magnifying glass, it already appears here for me, in my favorites, because I end up making several videos and it will always appear here. So, you're going to download this app, Downloader. What is Downloader going to do? It will help you download other apps. That is, we will download the Tivi Gold, the app that we are talking about, through the downloader. So I will click on it here and I will click on install. Don't forget to give that like, share our video. I have brought several cool apps for you to be able to watch your content at home. Apps that no one has on the market. Well, here you have the downloader already installed and we will click on open. When it opens, it brings this welcome message and a quick guide. You click on OK. In this line that is appearing there, you will type one of the 3 codes that I am leaving. Or you type the link or one of the 2 numeric codes. Do not type all together. The 3, they take you to the same place. If you type all together, it will not work. So type one or the other. I'm going to type one here for us to continue. Okay, I typed ggapps.xyz.tvg. When you type, you come here and click on Go. This is for the link and for the 2 numeric codes. It's the same procedure. Click on Go. It will download the installation file. It's a very small app. We will quickly install it on your device. We have practically 3 minutes of video, and we are already installing. Very fast, okay? We will quickly install. Don't forget to watch the video of use. It is important for you to know how to configure and know how to use the application. If you have never used the downloader, it is blocked to install unknown applications. If you have already used it, it will go straight and install. In my case, which is the case of many people, you click on Settings and here you will enable the downloader. Do you see that it is disabled? Let's allow. When you click once, it comes to this screen. You click on Install. It's almost installed Tivi Gold on your device. Very easy. Get in touch with me. My WhatsApp data is in the description of the video. Don't forget to watch the video of use. It's there too.